Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Adam Khan, your English teacher. I hope you all will be doing well. In lecture 1, I talked about Mardan board paper pattern. This is your English book. There are total 7 units. Each unit contains 3 readings, except the last unit, which contains 2 plays. The Merchant of Venice, King Lear. This is unit number 1, Vision and Mission. This unit contains 3 readings: The Farewell Sermon, Jinnah's Vision of Pakistan, The Blades of Grass. Dear students, let me start my lecture on the farewell sermon, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I will try to elaborate the key points of each paragraph and the confusing words. Difficult words have already been explained and uploaded on the college website. The first paragraph says that Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam delivered his final message on the 9th day of Zulhijjah 10H. Dear students, what's the difference between CE and AD? There is no difference. AD 632 or A.D.632 or AD 632, 632 CE or 632 C.E. or 632 CE. Both these expressions mean 632 years before the beginning of the Christian calendar, 1000 BC or 1000 B.C. 1000 BC. 1000 BCE 1000 or 1000 B.C.E. 1000 BCE. Both these expressions mean 1000 years before the beginning of the Christian calendar. Mount. What is the difference between mount and mountain? There is no difference. Mount is just a shortening, abridged form of mountain, like exam for examination. Second paragraph says that the farewell sermon is mentioned in almost all books of hadith. Farewell and goodbye. What's the difference? Goodbye is a basic goodbye. Farewell is emotional goodbye and final goodbye. There are about 15 ways to say goodbye. Some are formal expressions, some are informal expressions. For example, have a good day, have a nice day, have a wonderful day. Informal, bye. Common way to say goodbye. Bye bye when we address kids. Have a good one. Paragraph number 3 says that our Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam conveyed his final message to about 1,20,000 people. His voice could not reach out to all the followers of Islam. Therefore, our Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked Rabah ibn Umayyah ibn Khalaf to repeat the sermon after him, sentence by sentence, so that people could hear. Present. There is an idiom. No time like the present. Or there is no time like the present. What does it mean? The best time to do something is right now. Therefore, it tells us that we should stick to our studies. We should not waste our time. Here versus listen. Versus listen up. Listening describes an intentional activity. Hearing is something that happens without any intention. Listen up. Present verb. Usually said as a command, which means to listen carefully. For example, now listen up. This is important. Listen up, you all guys. There's a word holy. Z holy, HOLEY. What does it mean? Full of holes. For example, his shoulders were visible because he was wearing a holy shirt. To sum up, I elaborated 3 key points. Number 1, our Holy Prophet ﷺ conveyed his final message on the 9th day of Zulhijjah 10 AH. The sermon, the favorite sermon, is mentioned in almost all books of Hadith. And the third point is, our Holy Prophet ﷺ delivered his last message to about 1,20,000 people. Riba ibn Umayyah ibn Khalaf was asked to repeat the sermon after him sentence by sentence so that people could hear. That's all for today, and have a nice day.